One of my favorite things about going out to eat is finding something great and then coming home and trying to reverse engineer it. Once at an Italian restaurant, I had the best salad I had ever had, and I asked them, what is it about the salad that made it so great? And they said, prosciutto bacon. Well, then I went home and tried to reverse engineer it. I'll save you the entertaining mistakes that I made, but it took me about a year. And today I'm going to share with you, honestly, one of my favorite accidental discoveries. It's prosciutto bacon and a couple of different ways to make it. Prosciutto isn't cheap. Probably the best place that I've found to get it is at Costco. You might also want to take a look at Aldi. At Costco, they have these packs, and right now they're going for about $12. And there's 24 slices in a pack, so it comes out to about 50 cents a piece. At the end of the day, I still think it's worth it. When it comes to making the prosciutto bacon, the easiest, fastest way to do it is in an air fryer. Now, because the prosciutto is so thin and delicate, when it gets in a convection oven, whether it's in the air fryer or in the actual oven, one of the things that often happened that I found is that it would twist up and curl. So by putting another rack on top of it and putting it in like this, it ensures at the end, as you'll see, that you get a nice flat piece of bacon. This Best Choice products, if you don't have an air fryer, is a great solution. I've been using one for about a year and really like it. Top rack, we're going to do this for 12 minutes, 400 degrees, and that's it. If you haven't taken the plunge yet and bought an air fryer, you can do it in a convection oven and just on baking sheets. I'm going to use aluminum foil to catch the grease drippings. Just like with the air fryer, take another baking rack, and that will hold it in place so it doesn't blow away or change shape. Okay, now we have the finished product. Essentially, they're identical. It's just a matter of how long it takes to do each. In the air fryer, in 12 minutes, and it just slides right off. You don't want to waste any of it. And then here, this just came out of the oven a couple minutes ago. That just cooled off. What you're going to notice, it is like a wafer. This is absolutely unbelievable. And I'll tell you, it's amazing. I can't wait for you to try this. Prosciutto bacon is phenomenal on its own, but I can tell you it is the X factor ingredient in a lot of different recipes. You'll have a lot of fun experimenting with this. Things that traditionally you would put bacon in, this makes a phenomenal substitute. I find it has a more intense flavor, but again, the texture is great. It's really delicate. You will never run out of ideas of things to do with prosciutto bacon once you discover it. Here are just a few of my favorites. Prosciutto bacon avocado toast, a bacon lettuce tomato wrap with prosciutto bacon and add some avocado. You can do that a traditional way with toasted bread, or if you want to go keto, a low-carb keto wrap, and on salads. I think prosciutto is just a natural pair for salads, unlike traditional bacon. Traditional bacon certainly has the flavor, but the problem, to me anyway, is the texture. When you're chewing certain foods, soft foods, when you get that hard, chewy bit of bacon, I just think it creates an inconsistency that's distracting. With prosciutto, you actually get more bacon flavor, in my opinion, but the texture is very compatible with delicate foods. If bacon is coffee, I would say prosciutto is espresso. It's tighter, stronger flavor, and a little more exotic. If you've enjoyed this video, please click like, subscribe, and ring the bell.